Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Epson M1120 printer driver on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. Please come on the screen. I will show you which driver you will require. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, just double click on that. Make sure your printer should not be connected to your computer. If it is asking for permission, please click on yes. This installer will ask you to connect the printer, then you have to connect. So please keep the printer off and unplug all the cables. Select this option and then click on OK. Choose the preferred language and then click on OK again. Now click on Agree and choose your language and then click on OK. Now select the printer type. Which printer connection type do you prefer to connect this printer to your computer? Through the network connection or through the USB cable? I will go with the USB cable. Now it is asking to connect the printer to your computer. So please connect the printer's USB cable to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on properly. Once you do it, this screen will detect your printer connection and will redirect you to the next one. There you will have to click on next or finish to complete this installation. So if it doesn't detect, in this case you can do it manually. Click on manual button and then choose the printer port. USB 001. If this is the only printer that is connected to your computer, then this option will work for you. If you have many printers, then you maybe select USB 002 or will work 003. So I will go with this one and then click on OK. USB 001 is a recommended one, so please go with that. Please wait for installation. So the printer has been installed. As you can see on your screen, the message says the printer is installed successfully. So this is how you can install this Epson M1120 series printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.